Hello, this is a tutorial on how to operate your 5-channel remote. The 5-channel remote is the most common remote, and how you know it is a 5-channel remote by these 5 lights right here on the side of it. Okay, first thing you need to always indicate is which way is up and which way is down. And that matters because if you turn your remote over and try to hit up, it is going to go down. So the lights are always at the top of the remote. Always going to make sure they're up. Now, with that being said, you have your commands here, okay? So you can change your channel or your shutter by using the side arrows. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have what we call as an all function. That lights them all up. Depending on which particular shutter you want to use is what channel you want to have it on. Right now I have it on channel 2. Okay, so now you need to operate your shutter. To command the shutter, you have 3 different motions. You have an up, a down, and a stop. So whatever position your shutter is in, you can command it to do what you'd like. For instance, we'll say your shutter's in the closed position. All you need to do is walk up and hit the up button. It'll continue to raise the shutter all the way to the top and stopping it once it hits its limit. Now, you do have the option to stop it at any height you want by just hitting the stop button in the middle. And that'll kill the signal to the shutter, allowing the shutter to stop at its position that it's in. Now, once you're done with, say, shutter 2 and we want to go to shutter 3, we're going to once again change the channel. To the right is going to go down, to the left is going up. So we're going to go down to 3, and now we can operate shutter number 3 by going up, down, or stop. These are the basic functions of this remote. You can change back and forth to whatever you'd like to use. Now, when you have them in the all function position, that'll command all your shutters at one time. Up, down, stop, they all work just as like a single transmission. And the last thing to notice is on the back of this shutter, on the back of the remote, there is a battery hole right here. If you pull this down, that'll give you access to the battery. These batteries do need to be changed out. There's a simple code on there. You can pick them up at any hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, and you'd be good to go. So that's our basic 5-channel remote.